JNU teachers have questioned the scope of the university probe panel inquiring into the raising of alleged anti-national slogans on campus and demanded that more members should be included into the high-level committee. The members of the Students' Council, who have been asked to appear before the committee, have also refused to participate in the inquiry process, citing unjust academic suspension of 8 students. While the students are boycotting the classes demanding release of the JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar, the teachers are divided over the disruption of classes.